In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a receipt to an existing transaction so your records stay organized and audit ready. Before we jump in, have your receipt saved somewhere you can find quickly, like your desktop or a dedicated receipts folder. A clear scan or photo in PDF, JPG, or PNG format works best. If you can, use a short, descriptive file name so it's easy to recognize later. Now, let's get it done. Start on the left sidebar and select All Apps. From there, choose Accounting, and then click Bank Transactions. This brings up the list of transactions synced from your bank or card accounts. Take a moment to locate the transaction that needs the receipt. Look for the correct date, vendor, and amount so you're attaching the right document. When you find it in the list, click the transaction to open its details. Inside the transaction details, look for the section labeled Files. This is where attachments live for that specific entry. Click Upload. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can navigate to the receipt image or PDF you prepared earlier. Select it and confirm. You'll see an upload indicator, and once it finishes, the file's name or a small thumbnail will appear in the Files section. That means your receipt is now attached to the transaction. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the receipt image is bright, in focus, and shows the merchant, date, total, and taxes if applicable. If the image is sideways or has extra background, it helps to rotate or crop it before uploading so it's crystal clear. Large files may upload more slowly, so keeping the file size reasonable speeds things up. If you ever need to add another receipt to the same transaction, say a supplemental page, just use the same Upload button again from the Files section. If you don't see the Files section right away, double-check that you've fully opened the transaction details. Sometimes the panel needs to expand before attachments appear. And if an upload doesn't go through, verify your internet connection and confirm the file type is supported. That's all there is to it. From the left sidebar, head to All Apps, then Accounting, then Bank Transactions, select your transaction, find the Files section, hit Upload, and you're done. Keeping receipts attached to transactions helps your books stay accurate, makes reconciliations smoother, and saves time at tax season.